If your clothes still smell even after washing, the problem might not be your detergent. It could be buildup inside your washing machine. In this video, you will learn how to deep clean your LG front load washing machine step by step in 7 easy steps to stop odor and mold. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, my good name is Zippy Nyangweso. Thank you for joining the family, and remember to give this video a thumbs up. We start off. Step number 1, safety first. Always switch off your washing machine from the power socket before starting. Safety comes first, especially when dealing with water and cleaning solutions. Step number 2, prepare the drain area as we are doing in this video. That is, grab a cloth and place it under the drain pump filter, and this will catch any water when the emergency drain hose is opened. Small pools of leftover water can hide inside the machine, and we want to avoid spills. Step number 3, drain the water, that is, open the hose and let the water flow out slowly. Take a moment to notice how much buildup is hiding here. It's often surprising, as you can see. Step number 4, clean the drain pump area. Now this is where the real cleaning starts. Carefully remove the filter. You will usually find lint, hair, and tiny debris trapped inside. In our case, you can see we have a lot of it coming out, and some of it is trapped inside the area. If you see such dirt inside, don't worry, I will guide you on how to remove it. Use a brush to scrub gently, then wipe with a cloth to catch any leftover residue. For the filter, always use a brush to scrub it thoroughly but gently. Make sure you have cleaned it so well and rinse it off with clean water, if possible running water. Then reinstall it back along with the drain hose. Trust me, this small step makes a big difference in odor control. How do you know that the filter is securely back into the place? Always ensure the marks match. As you can see, our filter is marked green, and also the area is marked green. As you can see, we have placed it back as it's supposed to be. Step number 5, clean the detergent drawer. Pull out the drawer and check for hardened detergent or softener buildup. Inside the drawer housing, spray it with a mixture of white vinegar and a little of dishwashing liquid. Scrub with a brush and wipe it with a cloth. Step number 6, clean the rubber door gasket. Spray the gasket, scrub gently with a brush and wipe dry. Pay attention to the faults where water and debris can hide. While you are at it, clean the door hinges and latch area. Even a small buildup here can cause odors over time. We had soaked our detergent drawer. Now it's time we clean it. Spray it with a mixture of white vinegar and a little bit of dishwashing liquid. Scrub it with a brush and wipe it with a cloth. Always rinse with running water or using running water. Now let's run the tub clean cycle, which is step number 7. Add white vinegar directly into the drum and place a small cloth inside. Turn the knob and select the tub clean cycle, which runs for about an hour and 10 minutes. This cycle cleans the drum thoroughly and removes hidden residue. When it's done, wipe down the exterior with a foam cleaner to make it shiny, and leave the door slightly open for a few hours, probably 2 to 4 hours, so that the drum and gasket can air dry completely. And that is it. Follow these 7 steps, step by step, and your LG front load washing machine will stay fresh, clean, and ready for laundry that smells amazing every time. Don't skip a step. Each one makes a noticeable difference. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. And remember to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.